Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install VidIQ for YouTube keyword research, complete guide step by step clearly. To install VidIQ for YouTube keyword research, start by opening your web browser. Go to the VidIQ website at vidiq.com. Look for the sign up button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once you have entered your details, click on Create Account. Next, check your email for a verification link from VidIQ. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. After verifying, return to the VidIQ website and log in with your new account. Once logged in, look for the option to install the VidIQ browser extension. Click on the extension link, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, click on the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, you will see the VidIQ icon in your browser's toolbar. Click on the VidIQ icon to open the extension. You may need to log in again using the credentials you created earlier. Now that VidIQ is installed, navigate to YouTube. Once on YouTube, select a video relevant to your niche. You will notice the VidIQ features displayed alongside the video metrics. Start utilizing the keyword research tools provided by VidIQ. Explore the keyword suggestions and search volume statistics. To fine-tune your keyword research, use the advanced filters available. Incorporate your chosen keywords into your video titles and descriptions. Monitor your video performance using VidIQ's analytics dashboard. You are now ready to enhance your YouTube content with VidIQ. Enjoy optimizing your videos and growing your channel with valuable insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.